Hello everybody. In today's video, I wanted to try the Momofuku birthday cake. Momofuku is a popular um, chain of cafes and bakeries in New York, and they have this very famous birthday cake which I wanted to give it a try. It's got a lovely layer of vanilla cake with some beautiful frosting, and the best part is the crumbs of this cake which sets it apart. So let's get started. Firstly, in a large bowl, take the butter and both the sugars and beat it until light and fluffy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Once the butter and the sugars are light and fluffy, add in the eggs, one by one, beating after each addition. For the full recipe ingredients, do check the description box below. Also follow me on Instagram, the link to which is in the description box. I'll be posting a lot of short videos there too. So once you add in all the eggs, add in the oil, the curds and vanilla. Use a good quality vanilla because this is after all a vanilla cake. So beat in everything together until soft and fluffy. Add in the dry ingredients now. Sieve in the flour, the salt and the baking powder. Mix it all in until you have a lovely smooth batter. Add in the sprinkles, which makes this vanilla cake a birthday cake. I've divided this into 3 7-inch pans. Yes, use a weighing scale if you want even layers. And as you can see, this is a pretty thick batter, so use a spatula to flatten it. And yes, add in more sprinkles. Of course, you can make this vanilla cake without the sprinkles, but it wouldn't be a birthday cake, right? Bake it in a preheated 160 degrees oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until a stick inserted comes out clean. Let them cool completely. Now let's make the delicious crumble for this cake. In a large bowl, sieve in the all-purpose flour, baking powder and salt. To this, add in the powdered sugar and the brown sugar. Add in the rainbow sprinkles and give it all a good stir. Finally, add in the oil and the vanilla. You can also use melted butter for this, but since there's so much butter in the vanilla cake, just didn't want to overpower it. Give it a good stir and it should resemble breadcrumbs or coarse sand like this. Pour it onto a silicone or a parchment paper lined baking tray and bake it for 180 degrees, stirring occasionally in between like so until they are nice and golden brown. This should take about 20 to 25 minutes. And there you have it, crumbly, delicious biscuit rumble. Now let's make the frosting. In a large bowl, add butter and cream cheese. Give it a nice whisk. Beat it until soft and fluffy. To this, add in your vanilla I've also added in the sugar, which I forgot to film, and some lemon juice, and lastly a little splash of milk. Beat everything together until nice and soft and fluffy. The exact ingredients and the recipe quantities will be in the description box below, and also I'll put it somewhere in this video. Do check it out. Now, since all the components are made, let's assemble. I've also added in a little bit of salt for that extra zing. Now for the assembly, I'm using a ring to guide me. So I'm cutting the cake exactly to the size of the ring, all the 3 layers, like so. Line the ring with some acetate sheet, because this is going to be a tall cake and the height of the ring is not enough to hold it. So I'm using some food grade acetate sheet. Line the ring like so, and we'll start assembling, starting with the cake, the frosting and the crumble in each layer. Now let this gorgeous, beautiful cake refrigerate for at least 3 to 4 hours before demolding and slicing. I really hoped you liked this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.